In today's video, I'm gonna test some transfer from Econo Transfer company, and if you want to see how this is gonna turn out, stick around. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie, and like I said, in today's video I'm gonna test some transfer from Econo Transfer company. And if you guys want to see the unboxing of that video, how I unbox all the transfer, go watch it now. I'm gonna put the link right here. No, not right now, do it after the video. Yeah, so you know how your boy's gonna do it. I'm gonna take it to the laundromat. I'm gonna put it in the laundry with all my other filthy clothes. So I'm gonna heat press it. I'm gonna show you guys that. Then we're gonna go to the laundry, put it, I'm gonna wash it on hot water, not cold water. No, I'm not gonna follow the recommendation because come on, give me a break. 90% of the world, or maybe 99% of the world, is not going to follow the instruction on how to wash your clothes, right? We just throw it in there, you know, who cares, you know, turn up the water, hot, cold, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I'm gonna put it in the dryer, and I'm gonna turn up the heat on that bad boy on hot. And the laundromat that I go to, the dryer is really hot, trust me. So I'm gonna turn the heat up on that bad boy to see how well it will hold up. But before we jump into the video, you know what your boy gonna say. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video. And after the video, I said after, smash that like button for me. Drop me a comment and hear this. Now for the B-FLEX, the #1 vinyl is the B-FLEX called Gimme5. The Gimme5, the link is down below from the vinyl stand. Use my link and go to the vinyl stand and test out the B-FLEX Gimme5. I'm telling you, 285, 4-second, no cover sheet. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. No, it's a really great vinyl. In the beginning I had a little problem with it, but that was all on me. That wasn't the vinyl. So I'm telling you, go down there, check out the link from the vinyl stand, use my link so your boy can get a tiny, I mean like just little commission. If you're interested in the cedar vinyl, or get yourself a heat press, the #1 heat press in the world, the Hotronic, use my link downstairs. Heat Transfer Warehouse. You could get all your vinyl there. You could get your cedar vinyl, you could get other vinyl there, you could get your heat press, you could buy a t-shirt, you could get all the stuff you need all in one place. The only thing you won't get there is the B-FLEX Gimme5. Have a separate link down there, so when you guys use those links, your boy get a small commission. All right, I also got some Amazon link down there, so go ahead, you guys, go shopping on my name. No, on your own name. Sorry, you know, just give me the commission. Enough talking, and let's roll into the video. Okay, I'm sorry you all. I had to peel it off camera. You know, it has to be a warm peel, and I couldn't leave it underneath there and then peel it because it has to be warm. So I had to peel it off camera, but it came off good. Even though I did mess up one, so if I washed it and this one comes off, that would be my fault. Or this one come off, that will be my fault because I did mess up. It's a warm peel. Okay, so I messed up on this one and this one, but still, we still gonna wash it. Let's move on to the other ones. Ooh, I'm and I'm not kidding. I'm really digging this vinyl, but I made a mistake. You know, some of them supposed to be warm peel, but I kind of yanked this one off before time. But listen, I'm still gonna throw it in the wash. I'm still gonna have to test it. So if that one does come off, that's not the vinyl fault. That'll be Flex fault. You heard? That'll be Flex fault. And I made a mistake on, I believe it was this one too. See? It actually peeling a little, but that was all my doing. Okay? That was my mistake right there. Now the rest should hold up in the wash. Look at this. I'm telling you right now, my favorite is that military flex vinyl. Military Econo Flex. Right, that's the name of it. You cannot feel that it's on the material. I'm so serious. Wait. Here go another one I did. You cannot feel. Look at it. You can't feel that it's on the material. It feels so soft. It's like it's inside the material. The rest is really good. They always good peel. You know, some of them was warm peel, hot peel, and this is the flower Econo Flex. I hope you guys can see it. They all peel beautifully. So so now we're just gonna take it to the wash. I know it should be washed. They gave instruction on washing it, but you know how your boy is. First wash, I gotta turn up the heat on this bad boy. So I'm gonna throw it in the wash. You know, I'm gonna put it with socks, underwear. You know, I'm gonna let that machine, industrial machine, beat it up. You know, pow, pow. And then I'm gonna throw it in the dryer and turn up the heat on it because I want to see how it performs. You know, for the first time doing all that, it should not come off. You heard? So right now I'm gonna wait 24 hours. Yes, I said 24 hours. You know, just listen. Stop talking and listen. 24 hours. Why? Because we want it to set into the material, so you don't want to wash it earlier. So in 24 hours we are going to the laundromat together. It's so hot in here. I'm dying for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking and let's head off to the laundromat, because the next time you see me, I'll be at the laundromat. All right, so your boy's at the laundromat, right? Yeah. And here is it. Now I have all these laundry. I got towel, t-shirts, shirts, you know, and all kind of stuff in there. So I'm gonna put it to wash. These are all the design. Okay, so what's that? Let's get this washing on the road. And that's my favorite, one of my favorites so far. I love the way it feels. Anyway, so let's get the washing. It's on hot and heavy. Hot,
water and heavy, so it's gonna just beat it up real good. And here we go. So it's somewhere in there. Look, if you see it, it's right here. All right, so it held up in the wash, right? Came out really nice. Look, even the one that I messed up on, it's still holding up. Look at that. Really, really nice. Still on, still on. Everything looks pretty good. Especially this one. I love this one. The feel of it is fantastic. And the military flex, they holding up really well. So anyway, I'm gonna dry it now. Look, it's on high and it's gonna go. And it's going. See? It's right down there. All right. Oh, this thing been drying for 20 minutes or more. And look at it. It's still holding up. Wow. Amazing. I made a mistake on this one. And as you guys could see, it's like I never made a mistake. Actually, it actually looked much better after the wash and dry. Look at this. I made a mistake on this one too, and it held up beautifully. Look at this one. Fantastic. And look at the flex, military flex. Held up. Oh, wow. Great job. Look at it. And this thing been drying for over 20 minutes on high. This I really like. I like those flex, but I love this. The feeling of it is amazing. I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can go check it out yourself. It's soft, it's almost like suede, and it's a little puffy. So I'll put a link down below and you guys can go check it out. All right. So Econo Transfer, good job.
Anyway, you guys saw that? Wow. This impressed me. I'm impressed with it. This is the glitter vinyl. I'm telling you, I turn up the heat on this bad boy and look. Focus. This bad boy still held up, and I made a mistake on it, you know, and it's beautiful. And I believe this is the, I'll put the name of this one up. Right, still held up. Royal, that's the royal blue, still held up. And this one, I'm really digging this one. This is their red Econo vinyl, I believe. I put the link, I put the name of it right here. But look at it. Ooh, this one is nice. And like I said, what I like about this red is feel like suede. It feels real good, you know? And it's a little bit thick. I mean, like it puffed up or whatever, but it's a little bit thick. And it feels really, really, really good. You guys should try it. I'll put up the name. It's on the screen somewhere, blah, blah, blah. And This is the Flex Flower. Check that out. Check that out. You guys, wow. And this is this one right here. That's the Military Flex. I'll put up the name for all of them. Wow, it's amazing. Great. The feeling is so, first of all, you can't really feel it. I mean, yes, you're gonna feel like there's something there, but it felt like it's inside the fabric. All right, so Econo vinyl, great job. Now for everyone, I'm gonna put a link down below too for these vinyls for you guys. I want you to just go check it out. You know, I want you to check it out. Especially, I want you to check out all the one them that I'm gonna put up on the screen. Okay, check them out. I'm telling you, really good vinyl. And this one, I'm really feeling the red. All right, and there's more I'm gonna test from there. They puff. I'm gonna also test that in another video. So anyway, if you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell now, and like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you on my next video. I'm out.